Hello, today I will show you how to clear browsing data on your Motorola One. First, let's unlock the phone by pressing the power key and swiping up. Now go into your browser like Chrome and select the three dots to see more options. Here select History, and in here you have the Clear Browsing Data option. Select it. This way you can select if you want to do a basic browsing data clear or an advanced one. The basic one you can select if you want it to delete what you were browsing from the last hour, last 24 hours, 7 days, 4 weeks or all time. Let's select last hour. And here you have a browsing history, cookies and media licenses and site data and cache images and files. You can select each one of these options to be deleted or to be left alone. In advanced, you can also select additional things like saved passwords, autofill form data, site settings and other things. I'll go to the basic and select all three of these and select clear data down here. And I will be asked if I am sure. Yes, I will select clear. And just like that, all of our browsing data from the last hour has been deleted. I really hope this video helped you, and if it did, please leave a like and subscribe.